Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with admin access and a live internet connection so you can download fixes. This matters because many repairs need elevated rights. Open services. MSC Now and find Windows Defender Antivirus Service and Security Center. If a service is missing, make a note. If present, check startup type, set to automatic delayed start when appropriate, and view the last modified date. Once done, don't reboot yet. Proceed to the next repair steps to restore missing components. You now run system integrity checks. Open an elevated CMD and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. Once those complete, use elevated PowerShell to reinstall Defender packages or enable Windows Defender features as needed. This replaces missing binaries. If services still aren't listed, carefully restore registry keys under HKLM/system/current. You finish by rebooting so service registration and file replacements take effect. This often resolves lingering problems. After restart, open services. MSC to confirm Windows Defender service status, and then launch Windows Security to run a quick scan that proves real protection is active. If Defender remains missing or throws errors, check Event Viewer for specific error codes, then reapply the registry fix or perform an in-place Windows 11 repair using ISO. One key troubleshooting tip: always check Event Viewer Error ID before major changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.